So when we talk about CAR T cells, it's a platform. There are 3 different company-sponsored products. Yeah? There are similarities and some differences. The major similarity between the Kite, Novartis, and the Juno, that they all target CD19 positive B cells, including the diffuse large B cell lymphoma. So the target is the same, but what happens inside the cell and on the surface, whether the signaling molecules and the way they're prepared, whether it's unfractionated T cells or fractionated T cells, can vary among these different products. But the principle is the same. We're bringing patients' own T cells, immune cells, to the sites of cancer cells that express CD19, get the T cells activated, and kill the tumor cells. So Axi-cell, which is the Kite product, is the first one to be approved by the FDA based on the ZUMA-1 trial, more than 100 patients, about 80% overall response rate, and about 40% complete response rate lasting for up to a year. Very exciting. How many of these responses, the complete responses, will be durable, let's say 5 years from now? We don't know. But it's encouraging that the complete response rate did not decrease significantly between 6 months and 1 year. So we expect some of these patients will remain in complete response for many years, and although it's unheard of to talk about a cure at this point, but I think most of us would not be surprised that some of these patients probably will be cured with CAR T cells, including the Axi-cell and others probably. Yeah, so it's really new now, it's the approval, yeah? And there's only specialized centers are allowed to use it because of safety and preparation and expertise. With time, I think this should be available to other centers, but for now it's restricted to selected centers, including our own center, Memorial Sloan Kettering. And yes, we're starting to use it for commercial on label. I think as of now, we treated 6 patients, and it's as with the clinical trial, you see responses as has been seen in the clinical trial.